Hello, my loving students. Welcome to my channel Help Study. I am Shankari Saha, your biology ma'am. Today we will study ICSE 2025 examination specimen question paper biology part 3. Very important. So don't skip this video. Let's start our class. So welcome to the next part of the video ICSE 2025 examination specimen question paper biology. Today we will study the section B of the specimen question paper ICSE 2025 examination biology. Section B attempts any 4 questions from this section. Question 3. Number 1. Explain the term active transport. 1. Number 2. Name the structures through which transpiration and guttation occurs in a plant. 2. Number 3. How does the rate of transpiration differ when there is A. High temperature, B. High humidity? 2. Number 4. Write the overall chemical equation for photosynthesis. 2. 5. Sam observed a slide containing the lower epidermis of a leaf under a microscope. A number of tiny openings between the epidermal cells were present as shown below in the diagram. 3. This is the diagram. A. What are these tiny openings called? These tiny openings. B. Name the cells that regulate the opening and closing of the structures. C. Which ion is responsible for the opening and closing of the openings? The screenshots of the answers will be attached at the end of this video. Question 4. 1. Why is adrenaline called the emergency hormone? 1. 2. Expand the abbreviation ADH. Give one example of a diuretic substance. 2. 3. Mention the significance of the following minerals. A. Iodine in our food. B. Magnesium for green plants. 2. 4. State 2 objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. 2. Question 5. 1. Mention one characteristic of roots for absorbing water from the soil. 1. 2. What is parthenocarpy? Give one example. 2. 3. State the difference between micturition and parturition. 2. 4. Write any 2 functions of lymph. 2. 5. Study the picture given below and answer the questions. 3. This picture is given below. A. How does water get polluted? B. What is the effect of water pollution on human life? C. Mention one control measure to stop the pollution of water bodies. Question 6. 1. State Mendel's law of segregation. 1. 2. What are tropic hormones? Give one example. 2. 3. Differentiate between the term phenotype and genotype. 2. 4. What is the significance of testes being placed in scrotal sacs? 2. 5. Draw a neat labeled diagram of a human sperm. 3. Question 7. 1. What is the scientific name of the pea plant that Mendel used for his experiments? 1. Mention the surgical methods of contraception in A. Men, B. Women. 2. 3. Name 2 harmful effects of noise pollution. 2. 4. Which parts of a plant exhibit A. Negative geotropism, B. Positive hydrotropism. 2. 5. Kathak is an Indian classical dance which involves a lot of spinning by the dancers. The learners of this dance experience dizziness in the beginning while spinning. This is the Kathak dance. A. Name the part of the membranous labyrinth responsible for this dizziness? B. Give a suitable reason for your answer. C. Mention the nerve that carries the impulse for dizziness to the brain. Next question. Question 8. 1. How does transpiration help in the uptake of water from the soil? 1. 2. Given below are two statements which are incorrect. Rewrite the correct statements. A. Freshwater fish, when placed in hypertonic salt solution, absorb water and burst. B. Seminiferous tubules secrete testosterone. 3. During mitosis, what is the position of chromatids in A. Metaphase, B. Anaphase? The position of chromatid in the process of mitosis cell division. Chris was watching the display of fireworks in the sky. A. Trace the path of the light rays using the following terms: fovea, lens, conjunctiva, pupil, cornea. B. Name the nerve that carries the impulse for vision to the brain. 5. Draw a neat labeled diagram of a Malpighian capsule. 3. Complete section B, the specimen question paper of 2025 ICSE class 10 board exam biology. Screenshots of the answers will be attached at the end of this video. I hope this video is effective for you. So subscribe my channel. My channel name is Help Study. Who have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Like, comment and share this video. Stay fit and stay safe. Don't tension for the exam. Everything is okay and the result will be okay. Okay? The screenshots of answers are attached here. Visit playlist and community post. Okay, thank you. Love you all. All the best.